Hey everyone, welcome to Drive Knowledge. Today we are diving into a hot topic. Today got everyone talking Donald Trump recent decision to slap 25% tariff on Indian imports and his bold calm that India, yes, our India is a dead economy. His way off the mark and these tariff could hurt both India and US. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to break down why this move is misguided, how it's impact everyday people, and what it means for India global standing. So grab a chai and let's get started. So first off, let's tackle Trump claim that India is a dead economy. I mean, really, India dead. Let's look at the fact India is the world's fourth largest economy as of 2025, overtaking Japan, and it's on track to become the third largest by 2030. There is no small feat. The IMF and the Reserve Bank of India project India growth at 6.4 to 6.5 for 2026, faster than the most major economy, including the OS, India controlling 16% to global economic growth. And the World Bank calls us a brighting spot. That hardly we are taking about a nation powering ahead of tech, manufacturing, and even space exploration. Trump claim isn't just wrong, it's either a misunderstanding or deliberate jab to score a political points. India economy is dynamic with millions of small business, a booming startup scene, and the young workforce driving it forward. Calling it dead is like saying the sun doesn't shine. Absurd. Now let's talk about these tariffs. Starting August 7, 2025, Trump imposed 25% tariff on Indian export to the US plus an extra penalty because India buys oil from Russia. What does this mean? India sends everything from medicine to textile to electronic to the US stuff. Americans rely on in 2024 our export to the US worth around billions, making up 2.2% of our GDP. These tariff could hit our small business, our SMEs. Hard economics say that they might shave off up 0.4% of India growth next year. That's job, livelihoods, and dream of on the line. But there is the kicker. This doesn't hurt India. American consumers will feel the pinch too. Think about it. India supply affordable generic medicine, clothing, and jewelry. Yale University Budget Lab estimate these tariff could cost the average American family $2,400 a year. That's a higher price for your pills, your short, your groceries. So the Trump America first move. It's more like the America pays more. And get this, the IMF says his tariff policy could cost the US economy 115 billion, nearly half a million jobs by the end of 2025. Who is winning here? Let's zoom out the bigger picture. Why is Trump doing this? It's not just about trade, it's geopolitics. He's made that India buy oil from Russia, about 35% of our energy imports. But the India is not doing this despite the US. It's about the keeping fuel affordable for 1.4 billion people. Meanwhile, Trump causing up to Pakistan is striking a deal to develop their oil reserve and even joking they'll sell oil to India. Talk about mixed signals. Then there is jab at India role in BRICS, calling it Andy America. BRICS isn't about ditching the dollar, it's about diversifying trade. India is US strategic partner, key player in the countering China. So why agonize us? It feels like Trump using tariff tactics to force India into deal that favor the US, not both sides. And let's not forget, while he calls India a friend, one day he is insulting us the next. That's not diplomacy, that's a tantrum. So, how is India responding? Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal is playing smart. He is pushing for dialogue, not retaliation, to protect our farmers, workers, and businessmen. India is negotiating a trade deal with the US, and despite Trump curveball, our half of our exports are exempt from these tariffs, these reliefs, but that fight is not over. India's economy is resilient. We have faced challenges before and we will keep growing. But this tariff drama shows we need to diversify our market, boost domestic production, and keep our global partnership strong. This isn't about numbers, it's about pride. India is not a dead economy, it's powerhouse. Trump tariff and insult won't change that. They are wake up call to double down to our strength and show the world that we are made of. So there you have it. Trump tariff and his dead economy jab are wrong, costly and short-sighted. They hurt Indian business, American consumers, and a partnership. That's are crucial for both nation. India economy is alive and kicking and we are not backing down. What do you think? Should India hit back with tariff of our own or keep pushing for a fair trade deal? Drop your thoughts in the comment and let's keep this conversation going. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Let's keep shining light on the truth. Until next time, stay informed, stay proud, and let's keep India move forward.